Alright, so earlier today we were having a discussion about Glock magazines that were on sale at various locations, and my buddy Mark over at Growing Up Guns had posted a great deal on some metal Glock magazines. And over the 4th of July weekend I had come across these Jagemann made in the USA magazines that Primary Arms had put on sale for like, I don't know, $6 or whatever. So I picked up some. Not going to use them for everyday carry. These were pretty much just going to be for range use. So picked up the blue because they were out of the black. You can see it's loaded with all 18 rounds. It's FMJs. So one of the other guys posted that, you know, when these first hit the market, he had done a YouTube search, and guy had dropped it on the ground and they shattered. So yeah, I don't know about all that. Oh, it ejected around. Did it break it? Got a little bit of fucky there. Not too bad. Oh, yep, there it is. It's broke, and that's why the round ejected. So that was standing at, you know, tossing it up at, I don't know, 3-4 feet, tossing it up in the air, making it rotate and whatnot when it rounded. Sure enough. So I don't know that I would use these for everyday carry. Maybe on the range, and very gentle use at that. So $6 down the drain, no big deal. Okay, so continuing on that same topic of magazines, that last test probably wasn't that fair because I didn't drop it out of a Glock and blah blah blah, but I did only drop it from 3 or 4 feet, which is about nipple line for me. Maybe a little bit higher, a little bit lower, I don't know, beer belly height for me. So one of the other purchases I made for the 4th of July was these, the Amend 2 A2 stick 34 round fun sticks for the Glock. And I specifically got it for my Freedom Arms FX9. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in the weapon. All right. So yeah, a little bit of scarring. I don't know that you can see that. A little bit of fucky right there on the feed lip. That's not going to buff out. No other damage. So let's try that again. Alright, so holding it at arm's length. A little bit of marring. A little bit more fucky up here on the feed lip. That one's gonna buff out though. No other cracks. So let's do the same thing I did with that other one. A little bit more fucky. Shell. Some rash. Still intact. See if it'll go on the weapon just fine. Hold on. Alright. So it seems to have messed with the internal spring. But we're gonna locks in place just fine. So there's the Amend 2 fun stick.